Hello, everyone. I am Amanda Williams. I am the Director of Nutrition at Invite Health at our Boca Raton location. And I wanted to join you today. This is something that we are going to be doing every single day at 11 a.m. Now, we tried right at 11 o'clock this morning, but things were a little bit jammed up. So we're going again right now, but every morning at 11 a.m., you can tune in here to Facebook Live, and I am going to be bringing you different health tips and ways that you can go about helping to support your overall health and wellness and your immune system during this very challenging time. None of us have ever dealt with a pandemic before, so this is something that's new for everyone throughout the world. My background, I do have a medical doctorate as well as a master's degree in public health, and I have a significant amount of interest when it comes to virology and understanding viruses. So for me, when this all started to happen, I have been really paying attention to the data. And when you're looking at, public health epidemiology and looking at disease state outbreaks, this is that time where you really need to heed the warnings of the medical experts in your area and make sure that you are practicing proper social distancing and taking all measures that you can to really keep yourself as well as your family members safe during this time. Now, what I want to focus on are things that you can be doing every single day to optimize your immune system. And there's no bigger thing right now than thinking about vitamin D. When we look at vitamin D, we know as a country as a whole, we have estimates of 50 to 75% of Americans that can be categorized into being either insufficient or deficient in vitamin D. And that is certainly a problem because when we see how vitamin D is working with our immune system, when we look at our innate immune system, for example, and see the way that the vitamin D receptors play a critical and crucial role in the way that our immune system is responding. We think about our T helper cells, not that I'm going to get into heavy details on all of that right now, but we do realize that vitamin D goes far beyond that of just bone health. And this is why over the past probably month, I've been getting kind of bombarded with a lot of questions on vitamin D. And should I be taking vitamin D? If I take vitamin D, how much vitamin D should I be using every day? Now, that's a wonderful question. The problem is most people don't know what their serum vitamin D levels are because you probably haven't had your blood test done. And moving forward, that's something that I certainly encourage people to do is every year during your annual physical is to make sure that you request your 25 hydroxy vitamin D level. Have that tested. That's very important because then that gives you a better idea as to how much you should supplement with. But since I've been doing this for as many years as I've been doing this, I would say that anywhere between 2,000 and 5,000 international units is usually pretty good for most people. And the real way to determine that is to have your blood level tested. However, right now, you're not going to be running off to the doctors to have your vitamin D level checked. So a good rule of thumb is, maybe 3,000 IUs a day. If you do know that you in the past have been told that you have low vitamin D, then you may want to consider having a higher amount of vitamin D. Vitamin D has been studied quite extensively when it comes to respiratory viruses. So even when we look at things such as influenza and recognizing that people who have insufficient or deficient vitamin D levels have a greater likelihood to falling victim of a viral infection. So this is why vitamin D should be part of your everyday supplement routine. Now, there's many other things that you should be doing too. You should focus on foods. Remember, foods, let food be thy medicine. There is truth to that. I understand that right now it's difficult to have access to some of the foods that maybe you are used to eating, but you do want to make sure that you're getting fresh fruits and vegetables, things that are providing your body with vitamins, minerals, and key antioxidants to fend off oxidative stress. Most people are under significant emotional stress right now, which can certainly dampen down our natural antioxidant defenses. So this is why foods matter, and obviously the vitamins and minerals that you're taking every day certainly matter too. Now, when we think about vitamin D, here's a little trick. Many times, people who are not good absorbers of vitamin D may be because they are also low in magnesium. So magnesium is one of our essential minerals. So it's also advantageous at this point in time to make sure that you are getting magnesium as part of a supplemental routine as well. So magnesium and vitamin D, they play very nice together. If we're low in one, it's going to impact the other. So vitamin D, certainly critical for the immune system. Now, every single day, I'm going to highlight different formulations that Invite Health has available to you right now that can help to support your immune system. Now, keep in mind, if you can't make it out to one of our locations for curbside pickup, you can reach us via video chat through our website, as well as contacting any of our health experts. We are here for you during this very challenging time. And every single day, remember to tune in at 11 o'clock, and I'm going to be bringing you new information. And don't forget, we have a daily podcast that we do, as well as our radio programs. So we are here to help you help yourself through this very challenging and difficult time. So thanks so much for joining me today, and tune in tomorrow live at 11 o'clock. I'm going to be talking about black seed extract and how beneficial black seed extract combined with cordyceps mushrooms and having rosemary extract, how beneficial that can be for your immune system. Take care and be well.